How are you paying yourself as a business owner, CEO, as an entrepreneur? This is for you business owners. So in the next few minutes, that's what we're diving into. How are you paying yourself, or are you not paying yourself as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a CEO? I am Kersha Campbell. I do help everyday construction companies, contractors, those in the trades world, helping you to find out why more monies are leaving your business than coming in, those money leaks, those putting out those financial fires, those money fires, helping you to say goodbye to frustration, overwhelm, and, just frustration, overwhelm, chaos. You have a lot of financial chaos in your business. You're probably just tired of it. You don't know where to start. So I partner with you, of course, to turn all that around and so much more, helping you to see, those tangible changes in your business, in your bank account, helping you to pay less taxes, and so much more. Now, how are you paying yourself as a business owner? There are a lot of different ways you can pay yourself as a business owner. You can take a salary, you can take a, you know, use a dividends approach. There are lots of different ways. And I do want you to remember that each option that you choose will have tax implications, different tax implications. So you need to be, having that discussion with your tax expert to be able to see what method will work the best, for you based on your, not only your business situation, but also your personal situation. Because a lot of times persons think, okay, your business is completely separate from your personal situation. In a way it is, and in a way it's not. It's like one of those things where it's connected, but it's not connected. But they do have impacts on each other in terms of the taxes that you pay, the tax strategy, and all that. So for sure, make sure that you have that conversation with a tax expert to say, what is the best method for me? Should I be taking, salary every 2 weeks? Should I be, doing a mix as well? You can also do a mixture of salaries plus dividend. It all depends on what's happening. I also want to talk about those business owners who are not paying themselves. And I know that every business is at a different stage. You're at a different situation. The angle of the camera. I know every business is at a different stage, a different, situation, and that's okay. However, it is important that you think about how are you compensating yourself as a business owner, because the hours that you are using in your business, they do matter. And if they're not being reflected accurately in your business, of course, it skews the numbers for reporting, doesn't give you a true picture of what your expenses are, and so much more. So it is important to, again, track your time as a business owner and decide on a method, have a plan in how you're going to compensate yourself. And again, I know every business is different, in terms of cash flow issues, the strength of the business. So that doesn't mean it can never happen. It's just about finding the best strategy at that time in your business. How do you really account for your time? How do you pay yourself? And, be able to reflect the true cost of what's happening in your business, and also compensate yourself as a business owner. I also want to talk about the impact of your time the use of your time in your business, because a lot of times business owners, entrepreneurs, CEOs, you don't consider the opportunity cost of your time. So you're trying to wear all the hats in your business, right? And in doing so, you are not able to accurately use your time on activities that will drive more revenue and will be more impactful in your business. So it's like you might be saying, I can't afford it at this time. I need to be doing everything. However, a lot of times it's not just about you can't afford it. Sometimes it's how can you reallocate what you're spending your monies on now? Reallocate how you are doing things so that your time is being used more effectively as the business owner. It's always important to consider the opportunity cost of your time, of what you choose to spend your time on in your business. And you might be saying, I have to do this, I have to do this. But no, when you think about large corporations and they have certain effective systems in place, one person isn't doing everything. And yes, they have more resources, they might have more team members. However, it's a strategy behind it where one person is not doing everything. That there's so much power in delegation, in outsourcing. And again, it depends on the stage at which you're at in your business, what will work for you, what will not work for you. So definitely consider the opportunity cost of your time as a business owner. What are you spending your time on? Because a lot of times there are very good opportunities where you can reallocate your time, spend your time on something that will drive more revenue in your business and of course impact your bottom line, impact your cash flow even more. So the charge to you is to assess where are you in your business. Am I paying myself? Am I paying myself enough? Is it being reflected accurately in my books? Am I using the best strategy to save on taxes? That's always important. Who doesn't want to save on more taxes, right? We all want to save on taxes that are being paid. So assess your method. And of course, this is something you're not going to do on your own. You're going to need to reach out to a tax expert who will help you to see, okay, this is what makes sense, this is what doesn't make sense, giving you options to help you with making that decision. And that is why I'm always saying having a tax plan for your business is so important. And a tax plan is not just taking your box of receipts or your spreadsheet to your tax preparer at tax time. It's more than that. It's having a strategy from beginning of the year, during the year, and of course your strategy can change. So it's having a clear strategy to save on taxes in your business. So that is what I encourage you to do as business owners. Think about what is the best way for me to pay myself, pay if you have a partner, what is the best way we can pay ourselves as owners in this business? What's the best strategy, for saving on taxes? And make sure that it's being recorded accurately because you want to reflect the true picture of what's happening in your business. You want your reporting to be accurate. You don't want to have, the risk of, incomplete information that's going to affect your business value. It affects so much more there. It's just all connected in your business. All the moving parts are all connected. So definitely share with another business owner if they're struggling with figuring out just how to pay themselves. What's the best strategy? What should be done? And again, I'm always encouraging you to reach out for help. This is something you're not too sure about, you're having second thoughts, you're confused. Let's have a talk to have the conversation going and see how you can set up yourself to save on taxes and to also pay yourself, appropriately in your business. So signing off, this is Trisha Campbell, passionate about helping business owners move from financial chaos to cash flow, increase profits and so much more. Just ensuring you are financially educated about what's happening in your business and understanding, how all the moving parts in your business work. Bye, guys.